Good morning, students. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is chapter 10, equation. So what is an equation? See, I have written the definition. In mathematics, the sign of equality is equal to sign. In mathematics, the sign of equality shows that the number on both its sides are equal. This equal sign shows that whatever is there to the left and whatever is there to the right, it shows that both the sides are equal. They may be the result of different operations. So on both the side, left and right hand side, the operations may be different. On the left and right hand side, such an expression of equality is called as an equation. For example, see, suppose if I give 5 twos is equal to 12 minus 2. See, 5 twos is 10. 12 minus 2 is 10. So that means this is an equation. This is example 1, example 2. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So this is equal to, as suppose 4 plus 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is also 6. So this is an equation. So in this way we can, so whenever equal to sign comes and both the sides are equal, the solution, whatever the operation may be different, it's equal, then such an expression is called as an equation. So this is an equation, this is also an equation. Now we have to form such expression from the given information in practice set 26. So we have to form equation. Now see here, I will take first equation. From here we have to select 16 divided by 2. That is 2, 8 is 16. So search for where you will get the solution as 8. See, 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. So that means this is equal to 10 minus 2. So next one, 5 into 2. 5 to the is 10. So we will search for where we are going to get 10. See, 37 minus 27 is equal to 10. So this is equal to 37 minus 27. Then third equation, 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is equal to as 13. Now you see 72 divided by 3. 3 was a 3, 3 to the 6. No, sorry. We should get 13 as the answer. So 6 plus 7. This is equal to 6 plus 7 equal to 13. Fourth equation which we get. Now let us take 72 divided by 3. 72 divided by 3 will give you 3 was a 3 to the 6. 7 carry 1, 3 4 is 12. That means 24 is the solution here. So where in other expression, see, in this expression 8 3 is 24 we get. 8 3 is 24. We have formed the equation. Now next equation let us see. So 72, then 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 19, this also we have used up. 19 minus 10 is equal to 9. So this all we have, these all expressions we have used to the left hand side, and this all expressions we have used to the right hand side. That means we have, with the given informations, we could form 5 equations. Now next topic, see, we are going to learn about the variables. What is variable? In an equation, a letter is sometimes used in place of a number. Such a letter is called a variable. So in an equation, sometimes in the place of numbers, we use the letters. For example, like Example, x plus 3 equal to 7. This is an equation. X is used in place of number, but x can be replaced as 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So, when a letter is used in an equation, then such a letter is called as the variable. So, x is the variable here. Second example, suppose a plus 5 is equal to as 12, or example 7 minus b equal to 2. So this is b is a variable. Next one, 10 into a equal to 20. A is a variable. So wherever in an equation a letter is used, then such an the letter in the equation is unknown, then that letter is called as the variable. Now, the value of the variable which balances or satisfies the equation is called the solution to the equation. For example, see, I have taken example as x plus 3 equal to 7. So here in place of x 4. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So 4 is the solution of this equation. That is the value. 4 is the value of the x and that is the solution of the equation. So the value of the variable which balances or satisfies the equation is called the solution to the equation. To solve an equation is to find the value of the variable in the equation, or to find the solution to the equation. So for example, I have already taken many example. Example, suppose x plus 15 equal to 35. So here in place of x, if I write 20, 20 plus 15 is equal to as 35. That means x is equal to as 20. So x is equal to as 20 here. Therefore, 20 is the solution of the equation, is the solution of the equation, of the given equation. Example 2 is, suppose y minus 10 equal to 50. In place of y, if I write here 60, 60 minus 10 will give you as value as 50. Both left hand side and right hand side are equal. That means y is equal to as 60. Therefore, 60 is the solution of the equation. Now we are going to learn how to solve equations. For example, look here, I have taken x plus 5 equal to 20. So how to find the value of x here? Now for such simple equations, now see, x equal to this 20. This is plus 5, or another method. We have got two methods. See, I want to find value of x. X plus 5 is there. Write the opposite number of this. Plus 5, so minus 5 here. I have written minus 5. This side also I will write minus 5. Now this plus 5 minus 5 cancels. Only x will remain here. X is equal to 20 minus 5 is 50. I got the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to as 50. Or another shortcut method, that is transfer of the number. X plus 5 equal to 20. Now x is equal to, I am going to directly transfer this plus 5 that side. So when a number is transferred to the other side, the sign will change. That is the rules. So this is plus 5. And this whatever is there, write first. This I will transfer here. So plus 5 becomes minus 5. So x is equal to as 15 we got. Therefore x is equal to 15. This is method 1 and method 2. Now, second example. A plus 12 equal to 30. So, with the first example here, as like with the first method, x plus 12, so it will be minus 12. That is equal to 30 minus 12. So, a plus 12 minus 12 cancels. A is equal to as 30 minus 12 will give you as 80. Therefore, A is equal to as 80. Or second method, A plus 12 equal to 30. Now, A equal to 12, I will transfer that side, 30 right first. Then transfer 12 plus 12 becomes minus 12. So A is equal to 30 minus 12 is equal to 80. Therefore, A is equal to as 80. Third one. X plus 24 equal to 32. So x plus 24 minus 24 equal to 32 minus 24, right? So x plus 24 minus 24 cancel, x is equal to 32 minus 24 will give you as 8. Therefore x is equal to as 8 we got. Or second method, x plus 24 equal to 32. So by second method, you have to transfer this only. X is equal to 32 minus 24. So x is equal to as 8 we got. Therefore, x is equal to as 8. This is the value of x or the solution of the equation. Fourth question. X plus 10 equal to as 40, suppose. Then x plus 10 minus 10 equal to 40 minus 10. Both the sides I have minus 10 I have written. Now plus 10 minus 10 cancels. X is equal to 40 minus 10 is equal to as 30. Therefore x is equal to as 30 we got. Or second method, x plus 10 equal to 40. This is the equation. I will only transfer 10 to the other side. X is equal to 40. It will become minus 10, opposite of this. So x is equal to as 30. This is the solution. Therefore, x is equal to 30. This is one method of solving. I have given all similar types of equations to I have taught all similar type of equations. Now, I will teach a little bit different type of equations. Now x minus 12 equal to 10. Here, before I had used as what? X plus 5 is equal to 15 or less or whatever it is, plus sign was there. Now here I am using minus sign. So for this, so x minus 12 equal to 10. So x minus 12 is there, so write the opposite plus 12 equal to 10 plus 12. So here plus 12 minus 12 cancel, x will be equal to as 10 plus 12 is equal to as 22. Therefore x is equal to as 22. Or the second method is x minus 12 equal to 10. That is the equation, that is the question. So transfer minus 12 to the other side. X equal to 10. When I transfer, it will become plus 12. So x is equal to 22. Therefore x is equal to 22. This is the solution of this equation. Now seventh one. This is fifth. Now this is sixth one. So here again a minus 8 equal to 32 suppose. So a minus 8. So write plus 8 equal to 32. I have written plus 8. So I will write here plus 8. So a minus 8 plus 8 cancels. A is equal to 32 plus 8 is 40. Therefore a is equal to as 40. Now or second method, a minus 8 equal to 32. So a will be equal to as 32. This I will transfer means plus 8. So a is equal to 40. Therefore a is equal to as 40. Now next seventh one. X minus 15 equal to 45. Now x minus 15. So I'll write plus 15 opposite. That is equal to 45 plus 15. So minus 15 plus 15 cancels. X is equal to as 45 plus 15. 40, 50, 60. Therefore x is equal to as 60 value. Or second method. I'll write the question x minus 15 equal to 45. So x equal to 45, transfer this 15 minus 15 to the other side, it will be plus 15. So x is equal to as 60 here. Therefore x value equal to 60. Now next eighth question. X minus 14 equal to 37. So x minus 14 plus 14 equal to 37 plus 14 you write. Minus 14 plus 14 cancels. Only x remains equal to. This you add it, you get 11, carry 1, 3, 4, 5, 51. Therefore x is equal to as 51. Or second method. X minus 14 equal to 37. So x minus 14, transfer it to the other side. X is equal to 37 minus 14 is plus 14 it will be. So x is equal to as 51. Therefore x value is equal to as 51.